Zoe and welcome to my new YouTube channel Art Pop. In this channel I am going to show you how to make easy crafts, drawings, paintings. So this is my first video and I would like to start off with something simple. This is a toy which our parents used to play in their childhood. They used to make it with their own creativity and had a lot of fun. So did you guess what we are going to make? Yes, it is a paper plane. So, are you ready? Let's go. You will need a A4 size sheet and a stapler. Now, put the sheet vertically and fold it in a half. And press it. Now open the sheet. You can see this line right here. Now this line should touch this particular line and form a triangle just like this. And now freeze. We need to do the same thing with the other side. And press it. Now fold it in a half like this and form a triangle. Now this point should touch this point. So we are going to fold it like this. See, it is touching this point. Now we are going to crease it. And we need to do the same thing with the other side. We need to bring them together. We are going to crease it. Now I am marking this line right here. This is the shape of a triangle. Now we are going to fold this triangle like this. Now turn it over. Now we are going to fold this on this line and crease it. We are going to repeat the process and fold this line till here, and we are going to just crease it. Repeat the same process with the other side. And press it. Now press it nicely and turn it over. Now you would like to add some stapler pins and in the front and near the triangle and attach it to the paper. Now for some decoration, I would make something right here. I have made a sign of the lightning, and now a paper plane is finished and ready to fly. Thank you.